Are you feeling pain in your spine? Your spine is designed for movement. When it stops moving freely, pain often follows. At Glendale Chiropractic in Denver, Dr. Brockway focuses on restoring motion to specific joints with precision. So, what is a spinal adjustment? It's a precise, controlled movement targeting a stiff joint. It's not about snapping bones back into place. Instead, it frees up that joint and allows your muscles to relax. This relief can come quickly, sometimes within seconds. Have you experienced any of these signs? Persistent back or neck pain, stiffness in turning your head, headaches originating from your neck, or tingling in your arms or legs? If so, it's worth exploring further. Now, do spinal adjustments actually work? Research shows they effectively address mechanical pain in the lower back and neck, sometimes just as well as traditional medical care or physical therapy. However, they don't treat diseases. How often will you need adjustments? It varies based on your condition. Usually, more frequent visits are needed when you first begin treatment. Over time, those visits will become less frequent as your condition improves. Are spinal adjustments safe? Generally, yes. Most side effects are mild and temporary. However, they may not be suitable for everyone. Conditions like severe osteoporosis or certain infections should be evaluated before proceeding. At Glendale Chiropractic, we prioritize your health. Your first visit is thorough, lasting around 30 minutes. We perform an evaluation and may refer you for imaging before any adjustments are made. If you're ready to address your spinal issues, visit Glendale Chiropractic at 425 S Cherry Street, Suite 307 in Denver. Call 720-889-1659 to schedule your evaluation today. Don't let pain hold you back any longer.